Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present the ultimate breakfast. This simple breakfast recipe encompasses a taste of just about everything. Offering biscuits, eggs, bacon, and sausage gravy, it has everything you need to satisfy the heartiest of appetites. Let's get started. Now I'll be using Carb Quick for my biscuit element. Feel free to substitute your favorite biscuit recipe if you prefer, but I find that Carb Quick works the best for this recipe. Also, I'll be taking a shortcut and using pre-cooked bacon. I do like it a little crispier than this, so I'll microwave it for about 40 seconds to crisp it up. Remove the excess grease from the bacon and set aside. Lightly oil an 8x8 or 9x9 inch baking dish and set this aside as well. Add 1.5 cups of Carb Quick to a mixing bowl. Add 1/2 cup of water and mix with your hands to combine. Mix until the dough is smooth. Now crack 4 eggs into a separate mixing bowl. Add some heavy cream, dried chives, salt, some ground black pepper, and we'll spice it up a bit with just a little cayenne pepper. Mix with a whisk until combined. Now that we have our recipe prepped, grab the baking dish we greased earlier and divide the biscuit mix into small balls and place them on the bottom of the dish. You'll want them big enough to span the dish, but small enough so that there's room for them to expand when they cook. Something like this. Pour the scrambled eggs over the biscuits. Now get the bacon we crisped up earlier and use your hands to shred into small pieces. Sprinkle the bacon evenly over the top. Take 2 ounces of finely shredded cheddar cheese and apply over the top. Place this in the middle of a preheated 375-degree oven for 20 minutes. While the dish bakes, we'll work on the sausage gravy. Add 8 ounces of your favorite breakfast sausage to a sauté pan on medium-high heat. Gently break it up as it cooks. Now as it cooks, you can see the terrific fond developing on the bottom of the pan. Add some water to deglaze the pan. Although it's not necessary, you may want to use something with a flat edge to help extract all the flavor from the bottom of the pan. Now add a little unsalted butter and some heavy cream. Give a mix to combine. We'll season with some salt, a generous amount of ground black pepper, and a little garlic powder. Whisk together to combine. Now we'll add a little xanthan gum. This will not only act as a thickening agent, but will also help to keep the oils from separating when our gravy is finished. Continue to cook and stir and let come to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium-low and continue to cook until it reaches your desired thickness. Remove the casserole from the oven and let cool just a bit. Run a knife around the edges and cut into 4 equal portions. Serve hot. Pour a generous amount of sausage gravy over the top and enjoy. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my ultimate breakfast recipe, offering just a little bit of something to please everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.